Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 14 to 20, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see. Libra. What's up for you this week? Ooh, 8th house, mystery. 8th house is a house ng medyo complicated, no? Maraming meaning to. So, maaring may ine-explore kayo ngayon. Exploring yung mga interest ninyo na medyo pwedeng some of you are nagkakaroon kayo ng spiritual awakening. You are exploring your belief system or yung mga different forms of divination or nagiging interesado ka sa astrology, sa tarot, sa occult, sa witchcraft. 8th house is also about other people's money. So, pwedeng may investment ngayong week na to or may inaayos ka pagdating sa investment mo. You also have the strength, which is dignified. So, this is being comfortable. So, maaring malakas yung loob mo na mag-explore ng bagong investment kasi marami ka nang alam tungkol dun. 'Di ba? Ganun naman kapag marami tayong alam sa isang bagay, mas malakas yung loob natin na i-explore yun kasi na tayo, expert. 'Di ba? You also have the 5th house, which is about your passion. Yung mga interest mo, yung mga libangan mo. Some of you, Libra, pwedeng medyo SPG to, no? So, if you are connecting with someone romantically, pwedeng meron kang i-explore na sexual activity with your person. Okay? Or, pwede rin kasi tong ma-involve kayo sa mga yung one night stand, mga ganyan, or relationships na yung puro benefits lang, parang friends with benefits. Okay, so pay attention to that, medyo mag-ingat, dapat alam nyo kung ano yung pinapasok ninyo. Yung iba naman, this can be investing in your skills, no? So nag-invest ka sa skills mo dahil magaling ka sa pagluluto, magaling ka sa content creation, so talagang pagkakagastusan mo yan at talagang kakaririn mo talaga. Example, may talents ka, skills ka sa pagluluto, baking, ganyan. So bibili ka na ng mga gamit mo, no? Para mag-practice nung iyong skill. So, pwedeng gagamitin mo yan as content creation. Yung iba naman talagang literal, magtatayo ka ng restaurant or bake shop. So, this is about you investing on your skills. What else? Oh, you have the Lovers. Libra, medyo yung iba sa inyo, you may be connecting with a passionate relationship with someone. With the Knight of Wands, pwede kasi itong mabilisan one night stand. Or yung tipong relationship na walang label. So nasa sa inyo kung willing kayo sa mga ganyan. Just make sure na alam nyo, aware kayo sa pinapasok nyo, sa consequences niyan. With the 6 of Swords, this is like moving on Pwede kasing parang spur of the moment, no? Na tipong nandyan ka kasi nag-enjoy ka, and then after, pag nawala na yung fun, yung excitement, ayun, wala na. So, you may be parang mabilis ka maka-move on. Yung iba sa inyo, Libra, mabilis mag-move on. Although, bago kayo mag-move on, talagang nagtatry kayo. Like, nagtitiis. So, kapag naka-move on na kayo, ibig sabihin, marami na kayong tiniis. Some of you naman, this can be a new contract, no? Bagong work, bagong career, bagong business, na kung saan, dito ka nag-enjoy. Kaya, kinukommit mo yung sarili mo dito. You are planning, nagpaplano ka, like, sa future, no? Na, mas malayo, no? Let's say you are planning already 5 years from now, ganon. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ma-recognize kayo sa work, sa trabaho, or sa kung ano man yung community ninyo. Let's say, nasa content creation ka, tapos yung community na yan, maaring merong maibibigay sa iyo na certain role or position or achievement na you're going to be very, very proud of. Proud na proud ka dyan. Yung iba merong leadership role. May promotion sa trabaho, so something exciting is coming to you. May new beginnings rito eh. Okay. You have, things are changing. I think, yung mga actions mo, yung mga steps mo, pinagpaplanuhan mo talaga. Strategic ka. You are thinking ahead. Like what I mentioned kanina, yung plano mo is like 5 years from now. You're thinking ahead. And also, mas pinapalawak mo rin yung connection mo. You are, mas ka ngayon, yung gumagalaw, lumalabas, nakikisalamuha. Kasi, yung mga contacts, connections na mabubuo mo, ito yung tutulong sa'yo eventually in the future. So, kumbaga para ka nagtatanim. Ayan. Maaring dati mahiyain ka, ang tipong ayaw mong mag-explore, but now, things are changing for you dahil alam mo na kailangan mong mas maging aggressive, mas energetic, para mas marami kang opportunities na ma-attract. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga pinagsisisihan na missed opportunities kasi nahiya kayo. Oo. Nahiya kayo na mag-explore, nahiya kayo na mag-ask or hingin yung sa tingin yung dine-deserve nyo. Hindi nyo nakukuha yung gusto nyo. So, ngayon, mas aggressive kayo about what you really want because you know what you deserve. So, sa money, career, finances, you have the Justice card which is your energy, the Two of Pentacles. So, yung iba, kung meron kayong bagong trabaho, bagong source of income, parang ayaw nyo ring i-let go yung situation nyo ngayon na parang gusto nyo na pagsabayin, na you are trying na hanggat kaya nyo i-keep, no? Let's say, meron kang trabaho ngayon and meron kang other source of income. Pero yung other source of income mo, maganda na yung takbo. Pero mas stable naman yung work mo. So, parang ayaw mong i-let go yung work mo kahit na maganda na yung income ng other source of income mo. Kasi, sigurista ka. Oo, gusto mo yung sure. Tsaka, you want to be financially stable bago ka mag-let go ng ibang responsibilities. Sa relationship, love life, you have the Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Cups. Merong new beginnings dito. New relationship, new opportunities. So, if you are single, pwedeng merong bagong person na darating sa buhay mo. This person is someone na very sensitive siya sa needs mo. I think this person is, kumbaga para siyang maalaga, mapagbigay. So, pwedeng, ito yung pagbabago sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. Kasi kung noon, ikaw yung laging bigay ng bigay. So, ngayon naman, ikaw na yung bibigyan. Ikaw na yung ino-offeran. If you're in a relationship right now, pwedeng meron kayong bagong source of happiness ng person mo. Either meron kayong bagong alagang hayop, no? Pet, or may baby sa bahay, or meron kayong inspiration ngayon, like project together, business together, na mas magpapatatag ng relasyon nyo. Feelings. Healing begins with feeling. Be gentle with yourself and tender with your heart. So, mas sensitive ka sa feelings mo, sa nararamdaman ng person mo or ng mga tao sa paligid mo. And especially if you are healing from a painful experience, I think yung pagle-let go mo doon sa pain na yon is a first step to heal from that. Mas nagiging gentle ka na sa sarili mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much and see you again.